CP train here at Wade Highway. Folks, today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks. Which I believe with the CP 131 coming. See him yet, Grandma? Now he's crossing Wilmeth, Grandma. Today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks, and I think the light changed. What is it now? Green and red, okay. So it is coming, folks. Hear the horn? Yep, it's coming. Today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks. Today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks. Here it comes! See it now, Grandma? I can hear it. I can hear it, Grandma. Is he honking his horn for here? Or no, now? The reason why I am having a little longer of a video is so that I can have you all hear the horn. Today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks. Right here at Wade Highway, folks. Anyway, here it comes. Here it comes! See him now? How come I hear it? Oh. See it yet? No? Well, then how come these are going off? What about now? Is it CP or no? Grandma, is it CP or no? Is it a no? Yes, it is. that was CP-141, folks. Today is our Thursday extravaganza, folks. And sorry about that sun in the way. Anyway, okay, so that's it.